Hey guys, in this video we are going to give you a quick introduction into Gumroad for sales. So why should you use Gumroad to sell your digital product? So the general benefit or idea of Gumroad is that you have a platform, you have a builder you can use to sell digital product. And the huge benefit is it's for free. So you only pay a small percentage of the money you make if you make money, but there's no fixed fee. So that's quite a huge advantage. And also compared to Etsy, where you pay like, I guess, 25 cents per product upload, you do not have to pay anything per product upload, which is also quite good. So as we can see here on Gumroad, you can buy and sell quite everything, from drawings and paintings to photography, business and money. There are a lot of topics. So yeah, let's look at an example product page. This one, for example, is where we sell a Notion project template, which is for free. That's why there's €0 plus, which means people can pay whatever they want, but they also can't pay. They do not have to pay anything. It's for free. And as you can see here, it comes with some pictures, and there's the rating. You have a text, you have a short description, and yeah, that's what customers see. And compared to Etsy, it's quite important to say that Gumroad does not really have a lot of organic traffic. So for example, Etsy is like a real marketplace. A lot of people use Etsy like they use Amazon to scroll around, search for products. Gumroad is not that common to be used as like this platform where people search. So most of the traffic comes from outside. So keep this in mind. This means you have to run your own promotions, run your own social media accounts, and yeah. If you decide to create an account and start selling, it looks like this. You have the home page, you have the product page, and a lot of other detailed pages which are not quite important at the beginning. If you want to create a new product, just click on new product, and then you can choose what you want to sell, if it's just a digital product or a course or an ebook or membership, physical good, or even a bundle of several products you already created. So if you want to create a bundle, you need to have other products so you can bundle them. In this case, we just call it Notion template, and I would say let's make it for free. And now you can start the customization. Yeah, give it a description, a unique URL, which comes after the Gumroad URL part, a cover picture, the thumbnail picture, and other product informations. If we then go on to content, that's the page. So the product page is the page people see before they buy your product. Like it's an Amazon front page, they see this page and they decide, all right, looks nice, I want to get this. And if they get your product, they see the content page. So after they bought your product or entered the email to get it for free, they land on the content page. And on the content page is where they then can download your product. So whatever your product is, you can add here, for example, a link. So for example, if you're selling a Notion template, just enter the link by entering text, for example, Notion template, and the URL is your public Notion URL, the one you just published. And then you also can write here a bit of a text like, thank you so much for getting this template, whatever. And you can even add different pages here. So yeah, feel free to play around. You can play with the design, whatsoever. You can also create a new page. For example, this is like the welcome page, and then you have different pages. And in the end, if all of this filled out, right now I can't because there's no content, you can share it with the world. You also can share the link and promote it. So it's super simple, super easy to use. Yeah. I hope this short video gave you kind of an idea what Gumroad is about, how it works. And yeah, thank you so much.